Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the day 25th of our 60-day trading challenge, rule-based trading challenge. And today was a very difficult day, but thankfully we ended in the profitable zone. And of course, obviously, today was not an easy day. Like had a high volatility, and then it was very difficult day. And even the trade came pretty late. Trade setup also generally we used to get it at 9:30, 9:45, in that range. And I'll just show you the how it started or the day it got started. So you will understand the how difficult it was as a day. So let me show you the chart of the Nifty. See, this is the 5 minutes chart of the Nifty 50. So the first, this is the, I have marked this rectangle zone is the zone. Till then, we could not take the trade because you see, it opened up, gap up, and there was a very clear bullish candle, first 5 minutes candle, and then it was giving a indication that it will go up, and then next 5 minutes also it was showing a bullish candle, and the third candle, the third 5 minutes candle came down, and then again went up, and there was a haphazard move. It was happening in the first 1 hour or so, I would say. So our strategy is such that when there is a high volatility, it avoids taking the trade. So we our trade got triggered only at 10:30. So at 10:30, when the and thankfully, as you see here, the kind of the volatility subsided towards that, and then we could enter into the trade at as you see here 10:30, 10:31. By the time we could select the thing, and our confidence level was pretty low today. So that's why we entered into a very low premium, or what do you say, a low delta value premium we went in for. That is how we were able to get a 42 we were able to get the next week, because tomorrow is a expiry day. So generally, the 1 day prior to the expiry and on the expiry day, normally we avoid the that week's premium, the strike prices. The reason is the when we look at the delta, particular delta, when we want to trade, that delta premiums will be pretty low, and even the next week premium was pretty low in this case, 42.35. But since our confidence level also was very low, we wanted to take a low risk today. So we went in for a low risk trade. So we sold it at 42.35, and then we were trailing the stop loss, and at certain point of time it had come down to 53, 54, and then we cancelled it at the end of the day. Like as you see at 3:10, we cancelled because it remained that stop loss never got triggered. I'll show you the premium chart also. And then we ended the day at 30 rupee 25 paise, 20 paise. So that means we ended in the profits. So I'll show you the premium chart also. So this is the candle, entry candle is this. So this is where we sold. And we had put a stop loss of sold price plus 50%, and it never went over there. It indeed went slightly against our trend, rather our trade, for a while, but then it started falling, and then consolidated, and again it towards the end of the day it fell. So we were able to get a decent premium over here. So again going to the journal, we sold 25,000 call. We sold it at 42.35. We covered it at 30.20, and we paid a brokerage of as you see here, like 52.50. And the we our gain is 858 rupees 75 paise. And as you see here, our confidence level was pretty low. Like we had a confidence level of 1, and I have explained a little bit more about it in the journal. So you can go through the journal details also. So then now we stand at about 10.8% P&L at the end of 25 days. And our equity curve is looking pretty decent at this point of time, since in between we had a loss making days that was dragging down. But now again, we are at a peak level at this point of time. So uh, all in all, it was a difficult day for a normal intraday trading. and but we were very successfully able to handle it, although the profit was not very high because we sold a very low margin, low premium strike price, and we were able to end the day in green. That was more important. Of course, not the P&L per se. I would say that we were able to handle the difficult day in a positive closing manner. That is more important. I would highlight it. So that's all for now. Thanks, and have a great day ahead. And then see you tomorrow for the 26th day of our rule-based trading. And have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.